Welcome to my class, Copyright Your Artwork, a Step-by-Step Guide. Hello, I'm Debra Valencia. I'm a surface designer and I've been copywriting my own artwork since 2007. I'm based in Los Angeles where I teach seminars and college courses to artists and designers. Topics include how to license your artwork, trademarks, copyrights, marketing, how to get published, and other revenue streams. For the last 12 years, I've licensed my artwork to manufacturers who then mass-produce products for the retail market. This allows me to earn royalties on my work based on how many items sell. In licensing contracts, the licensee will ask for my written guarantee that I am in fact the rightful owner of the artwork. The licensee wants to be protected from any infringement claims. I realize that the topic of copyrights is not very exciting, but for those of us earning a living from our creativity, it's very important to protect our intellectual property. I promise to make this presentation as short and sweet as possible with step-by-step demo videos. You will soon see that registering a copyright takes less than 10 minutes and is very easy. Here is an example of how my copyright appeared on a mass-produced journal. The copyright notice lets the world know I'm a serious business owner and my work is protected. If you're an artist or designer concerned with copyrights, you will find this course helpful. Since I create dozens of new designs each year, it makes economical sense to file the registrations myself. In this course, I will show you how to do your own copyright applications without an attorney or legal service such as LegalZoom. If your situation is straightforward, you will be able to follow the steps detailed in this course. Now, if you're ready to get started, join me in the demo videos.